What was a big test for us?
I don't know. I feel like we've had a lot of big tests in all phases of our lives. Whether it was, yeah, literally from elementary school, we used to fight because you would go through, or you would go through my backpack to make sure you signed my homework log, and you would see cut up socks that I turned into arm sleeves, or you would see my basketball shoes and all my my jerseys and my shorts in the bag, or I would wear them underneath my school clothes and put them in there after recess.
Yes.
And then when I got to middle school, what was one big thing we argued about in middle school? I don't think we really, middle school, no. High school, it was just me working out so much and me being out late to go work out. You would get mad about. You would get mad because I worked out.
Where the biggest jump of you going to school so far from home.
Yeah, but even with that, like, you would check my location and I would be working out at like 1 o'clock in the morning, and you would be like, "What are you doing?"
Yeah.
So
when you were driving at that, because before that.
Yeah.
But
just
probably
little stuff like that.
Year.
But I wouldn't say there's anything we really butted heads on.
No. We're not bad.